Hello, if you follow my channel, it's been a while since I put out my last video. Today I'm going to talk about some of the social media platforms I use to promote my affiliate websites. And if you stay to the end, I will tell you who not to use. If you follow my channel, you know I try to put out videos at least once a week. If you're new to my channel, I put out web development and social media video tutorials. So ask yourself, are you a glass half empty person or a glass half full person? Well, I'm here to tell you the glass is full of water and there's a half empty and a half full side to everything. You are probably asking yourself, what does that mean? I will cover off all the pros and cons of whatever I discuss on my channel. So please subscribe and make sure you click on the bell and the notification every time I put out a video like this. On a side note, let's talk about what I've been up to lately. Well, let's start by saying I went on a trip during lockdown and it was an interesting event. I currently live here in London but have property in the USA. So I recently had to go back to check on my property, and traveling between the UK and the USA requires a series of COVID tests. I had to get 4 tests in total, one before I left, one before I came back, and a day 2 and 8 test when I got here. Plus I had to quarantine for 10 days when I arrived back in the UK. All in all, it cost me about £260 just for the test, and the US test was free. Just figured I'd share my traveling experience in 2021, which isn't fun. Well, with all that said, let's get back to business. So let's get back to today's topic, some of the strategies I use to promote my affiliate websites. I currently use a number of social media platforms. However, if you're just starting out, it's probably best to just go with 1 or 2, as your time should really be spent focusing on your website development. Currently, I use Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Quora, and Listly. Today, I will cover off a brief outline of my experiences with each of them. Instagram, I feel, is a good social media site to post your life experience and get followers, but to me, it's not really a great platform to monetize your websites. While you can post images and stories to drive traffic to your site, it is not the best place to put an affiliate link. One of the biggest reasons is you can only post a single link to your website and not individual products. Though you can do that via products if you just change your website link to a specific product link that you might be proposing that week. Okay, second is Twitter, right? This is a good social media site for you to post up content that is clickable, but for the most part the people on there are looking for collaboration and not to be spammed. It's a great place to see what some other people are doing, and if you had a question, the community would be more than willing to share their advice. Just have to ask them. But all in all, I am not sure how much traffic you will get unless you had something to offer. Now, Pinterest is an interesting one. This is one of my favorite sites to post affiliate content, as you can post ads and small videos of products and drive traffic directly to your website. Now, it's best to have your own website or a landing page because it is against the Pinterest rules to directly post affiliate links. Still, all in all, this is probably the best site. But you have to post quite often because from my experience, I see the impressions drop off drastically if you're not posting quite often. Now, Quora, I just recently started with this site, so I don't really have a lot of insight on this one. I went down the route of setting up a Quora Space, which is getting views already. So that's kind of on the good side, right? This is a great platform as you can post blog posts and affiliate products just by adding the links. Simple and quick, as you don't have to make pins and anything like you do in other sites, especially Pinterest. Okay, Listly is one that I have been adding content for a while but rarely see any action. Maybe I am doing something wrong. If you have any success with Listly, please leave me a note in the comments below. That would be really helpful from my point. The key to all of these sites is to spend the time promoting your content, as like all of them, they require sufficient work to drive traffic to your affiliate websites. As I promised, the site probably best to avoid to promote your affiliate traffic is Medium. I created an account on Medium and posted a bunch of content. Now I guess it's seen as spam. My account has been under investigation for a while. I haven't heard any feedback on that, but that's what it seems like. So the moral of the story with any of these social media platforms, follow your guidelines so you don't get yourself banned from them. I tried to keep this video as a simple overview, who I particularly use. If you want to see more in-depth tutorials on any of these platforms, please leave me a note in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, see ya.